In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma to PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to take designs you've already built in Figma and turn them into a presentation-ready PowerPoint file using a reliable plugin, all while keeping your layouts crisp and your text editable. Start by heading into Figma and opening the file you want to convert. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Either works the same for this workflow. Before moving on, take a moment to prepare your frames. Each frame typically becomes a slide, so make sure your content sits inside the frame boundaries. For best results, set frames to a presentation-friendly size like 1920 by 1080 for a 16.9 deck, and give frames clear names. That naming helps keep your slides organized later and makes the process smoother. Next, click the designs you want to include. If your file has multiple pages, go to the page where your slides live and select the specific frames or the entire set you plan to convert. The order of your slides often follows your layer or canvas order, so arrange frames in the sequence you want your audience to see. Keep an eye out for hidden layers or oversized effects that hang outside the frame. They might not come through the way you expect. Now open the Plugins menu in Figma. You can access this from the top menu bar or by right-clicking on the canvas. This is where you'll find tools that extend Figma's capabilities for presentations, exports, and automation. From the Plugins list, run Pitchdeck Presentation Studio. This plugin reads your selected frames and prepares them as slides, preserving the structure of your layout. It's designed to translate Figma elements into a PowerPoint-friendly format, keeping text editable where possible and converting complex effects to images when needed. Give the preview a careful look. If something seems off, like a font mismatch, remember that PowerPoint needs the same fonts installed on the computer you'll use to present. To avoid surprises, stick to standard fonts or prepare a version with substituted fonts you know will be available. A few practical tips as the plugin processes your content. Maintain consistent margins in Figma to avoid elements touching the slide edge. Keep vector icons clean to reduce file size, and simplify heavy blurs or shadows, which can bloat exports. When the plugin completes, you'll have a PowerPoint-ready deck based on your Figma frames, in the order you arranged. That's it. You've gone from Figma to PowerPoint using a straightforward plugin workflow while keeping your design integrity intact. Save your deck, open it in PowerPoint for a quick pass, and you're ready to present or share.